The safest place on the planet, apparently. Well, that's according to this guy. I want you guys to meet my mate Harry. He says Kyabram in northern Victoria, it's got no bushfires, no floods, or even earthquakes. He didn't tell me, but a few other friends have said that my hands have gone a little bit soft. And so, I thought, well, maybe it's time to throw on a different pair of boots and find out if I can hack it as a dairy farmer. Turns out I'm a little bit more useful at having a cuppa than putting cups on. So as we spent the day with Harry, here's a few fun facts that I took away. His work's actually pretty flexible. Turns out he doesn't need to milk morning and night. He even gets a long weekend every second week. Some of the cows, well, they seem a little bit more like big dogs. He went off farm to bring ideas back, and he's able to implement them on this dairy farm. He reckons that he might well have one of the greatest offices in the world. And I tell you, with sunrises like that, maybe he's not wrong. If you're like me and want to find out what a career in dairy is like, head to dairyjobsmatter.com.au to find out more.